how you can log in to web trader platform on forex.com. So let's just get started. I'll be guiding you guys. So firstly, what you're gonna do is just go to your any web browser and just type forex or forex.com like this. Then you'll be on this platform. So over here, this is the first link which says trading online forex trading online, which you'll be going through. So you can even use this like the that says login. So you can go over here or you can go over here. So it's easy for you to choose this login option. So just go over there, and then you'll be in this platform which is login platform. So over here you have options like MetaTrader account or my account or web trading account. So in this particular video we are going to use web trader platform. So just go to web trading one, and then you can have the username and then the password, and you can use remember me for your further use in the future. Just take this, I'm not a robot, and just log into your account. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how you can create MetaTrader 5 account on forex.com. So let's just get started. So first of all, you need to be in this particular platform, which is forex.com website. So to go over here, how you can do it, just go to your web browser and just search forex or forex.com and press enter. Then you'll be having this platform. So onto this first link, just go over here, and then it will redirect you to that particular platform, which is forex.com website. So to open an account, or let's say create an account, just go to up over here and do the account drop down menu. So over here, account type, just choose MetaTrader account, and then you'll be in this platform. So over here you have options to go with MetaTrader 5 account. So just choose over MetaTrader 5 or MT5 account, and just choose this open an MT5 account. And over here you need to show some details about you. So just remember, guys, you have only 5 minutes to apply it. So you choose your country or reason, email address, username, your password. So over here your password must contain these items: 8 to 15 characters, 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, and all. And the title, if you are Miss, Mrs, or Mr, or like that, and then your first name and their last name, then date of birth, and then primary phone number. I have already been over here, so I have already created, so I'm not creating one. Then after choosing save and continue, then you'll be in this particular section, which is number 2. Let's say about you. Over here you have to tell about your home address, your postal code, zip codes, and all. Then to the third one, you'll be having trading experience, where you will be asked about how is your trading experience, what works have you done, and all. Then at the last, your account will go for verification, and within 5 minutes or 10 minutes your account will get verified. So that's pretty much simple, guys. That's how you do it. How to search frequently asked questions on forex.com. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your web browser and type forex or forex.com like this, and then you'll see this first link which says forex trading online #1 and all. You just go over there, and then you'll be redirected directly to this particular platform, which is forex.com website. Now what you have to do is just go all the way up, and there you can see support option. Just go over there, and then you'll see here are the popular FAQs. You can go over there, just choose that option, and then you can see these are the options, or let's say the frequently asked question that you can search over here. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I can create a raw spread account on forex.com. So let's just get started. So firstly, what you're going to do is just go to your web browser and just type forex or forex.com and go over there and do this first link, forex trading online #1 forex broker and all. Just go over there, then you'll be redirected to this particular platform, which is forex.com website. So now what you have to do is go over here which says account, and over here you have 2 options, that is login or even open an account. So just go with open an account. So now over here you'll be having many options. You can even go with standard account and MetaTrader 5 account. So now in this particular video we have to do about the raw spread account. So just go to this particular option which says open raw spread. Just go over here, and then now you have to do some of your information. So you have to look after this, guys. Apply within 5 minutes. So firstly, just go with country or region or residence, your email address, and get a username for yourself, guys. And then just select the password that you want. So remember of this criteria, guys: 8 to 15 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and all. And then just select your title. You are Mr., Miss, or Mrs., or anything. Your first name, your last name, and your date of birth, and also your primary phone number. Then just press 7, continue. I'm not creating one because I already have one, guys, so I can't create another one. Now then, what you have to do is, once you have done this section, you'll be redirected to this particular second section where it says about you. So over here you will be having to give your home address, your postal code, your zip code, and everything. Then another one is trading experience. So in this particular platform you'll be asking about your trading experience, your work experience, and all. And after you have done that one, on the fourth one it will be finished, or it will be completed, and your account will go for verification, and within 5 or 10 minutes your account will get verified. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. You can create MetaTrader 4 account on forex.com. So let's just get started, guys. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to be in this particular platform, which is forex.com website. Just to get here, what you do is just go to your web browser and just type forex or forex.com and then press enter. Then to this first link, go over here, and then what you need to do is, so here it will redirect you to this particular platform. This is forex.com website. So to create an account, so just go to account section, drop down menu, and here you'll see this account type. Over here just choose MetaTrader account, as you want to have a MetaTrader 4 account. So over here choose MT4 account. And then now you can choose this open an MT4 account. Just choose here, and now you have to show some information about you. So guys, please note that it's apply within 5 minutes, so you have just 5 minutes to do it. So firstly you go with the country or region that you are in, and the email address, provide a valid one, username, password. So here password must contain these characters, or let's say these criteria. And then the title, if you are Mr. and Miss or anything, your first name, last name, and then date of birth, and then the primary phone number that you have, and just select save and continue. So I've already created one, so I'm not gonna create another one. So after this you'll be in this number 2 section, which is about you. Then over here what they will ask is, they will ask about your home address, let's say postal code, zip codes, and all. And then after you do that, you will be in the third section, which is trading experience. Over here they will ask you about your trading experience, what work have you done, what are you working at, and all. And at the last you will be in the finished one, which you have completed, and your account will go for verification, and within 5 or 10 minutes your account will get verified, guys. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I'm going to show you guys how you can access online support help on forex.com. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you have to do is just go to your web browser, any one if you want. Then over there just type forex or forex.com, and then you'll be in this particular platform. Now on to the first link, just go over here which says forex trading online and all. Just go over there, and this is the forex.com website. Let's say it's loading, this one. So over here what you have to do is just go on to the top, all the way top. Over here you have this particular option which says support. Just go over here, and then over here you'll be having the online support and everything, help and support. So now you can you can see over here it says let us help. You can go over here, take some time, guys. And now it's loading a bit. So over here you can chat with the bot, so you can ask anything, and so this is how you can access online support help on forex.com. So how you can contact forex.com. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your web browser and just type forex or forex.com like this, and then over here you'll be having this particular link which says forex trading online #1 and all. Just go over there, and then you will be redirected directly to this particular platform, which is forex.com's website like this. And then you can see over here are many options, but what you have to do is just go all the way up, and there you can see on top you'll see this support option. Just go over there, and then you'll be in the support platform, help and support center. So what you have to do is now just go all the way down, and then here you can see give us a call. So from here there are the numbers through which you can contact forex.com.
To get broker on MetaTrader 4, firstly go ahead and launch open your MetaTrader 4 application. The home page of MetaTrader 4 application will appear on the screen. From the home page, click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, click on Manage Accounts. On the next page, tap on plus icon and click on Open a Demo Account. Search for the broker's name and tap on it. On the next page, tap on Create Account. Now, all you need to do is tap on Done. This is how you can get broker on MetaTrader 4 application quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section.
How you can create standard account on forex.com. So I will only be guiding you guys in this particular video. I'll not be creating one. I'll be just guiding what you have to do, what you have not to do. So firstly, just go to your web browser and just type forex like this, and just press enter. And then this is the first link which says forex trading online #1 blah blah blah. Just go with this one, and then you'll be redirected to this particular platform, which is your forex.com website. Now what you have to do is just go a bit down, just go a bit down, just go a bit down, or you can also go all the way up. And now you can see this, you can go to this account, and then you'll be having this option which is login or open an account. So just press this open account, and then you'll be over here. So as you want to create a standard account, just go with this first one, open standard account, and then you'll be in this particular platform. So over here, just choose your region or country, and then choose your email, have a username like that, and then password. So for password, your password must contain this criteria, just have it, and then title about are you a boy or a girl, and your first name, last name, and your date of birth and primary phone number as well, and just press save and continue. Then on to this second one, it says about you. So over here you'll be asked about your home address and all, postal codes and all, zip code. Just go with all of those and just press save and continue. And on the third one, you'll ask about your trading experience, what you do, have you ever done about the tradings and all, and finally the finish button. So that's all, and your account will get verified.
To change your background color on MetaTrader 5, firstly go ahead and launch open your MetaTrader 5 application. The home page of MetaTrader 5 application will appear on the screen. Tap on Charts option at the bottom of the page. Now to change background on MetaTrader 5, double tap on the screen. From the pop-up, tap on little gear icon. You will end up on the settings page of MetaTrader 5. Scroll down and tap on Colors. Click on Background. Choose the color you would like to change and tap on it. After you're done selecting your background color, click on Save. This is how you can change background color on MetaTrader 5 quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.